Okay guys, today we are going to learn how to acquire data from Earth Explorer, UGS, UIC. So open your browser, whatever type of browser you're using. Then let's type Earth Explorer. Okay, so I have it suggested, so I go Earth Explorer. Then, so you select Earth Explorer, United States Geological Survey. And now you'll be required to log in. So if you don't have an account, you have to create an account, and that is not difficult, so you have to sign up. So I have an account, I'm going to log in. And so how this works, so I'm going to sign up. Alright, so I have signed in. Okay. So what we are going to do is to acquire it. Okay, so there are several ways. One, you can upload a shape file or a KML file of the area you want, or if you don't have any shape file, then you have to navigate to wherever you want to work. Okay, and acquire it on that. Alright, so let's look at. Okay, so you have to do the navigation. So here, let me just find somewhere. Okay, so you can any area of your choice. Okay. All right, so I need a digital elevation model data of this area. So what I'm going to do is, so we're going to start work. So what we're going to do is to, since we don't have a shape file for that, or a KML file for the location we want, we are going to predefine the area. So by clicking on it, it gives you the map. So if you click, it selects the area. It's a rectangle, so you can, like a polygon, you can give it whatever shape you want. You are marking how you want the area you want to cover. Okay. Now it's provided you with the latitudes and longitudes in degrees. If you want it in decimals, it gives you that. Okay. Now, before you do that, you can check. You can set the date. Okay. So you can set the date. Maybe you want it between this year. The data you want the data between 21st of January. So the month first, so January 21st, or let's just say January 1st. 2000 to December let's just say 30 2022. Okay, so you said, so it has ticked all that. Okay. So but if you don't want all the months, you can tell it. Okay, now after setting this, it's good we tell the cloud range. What's the cloud range you want? Maybe for me between 3. There's 1 0. Okay, so let's say 0. Okay, yeah. Now after you've defined this, so we go to the next thing. We've selected the area, we go to set. Okay, so the data set, we are actually going to determine what type of data we want. So let's say we needed a digital elevation model. So the digital elevation module. So digital elevation, select that here. Yeah. So whatever type of data you need, an aerial imagery, you can get that here. If you need whatever type of data, so the classified data, digital elevation, it's available here. We need digital line graph. We need a Landsat. Yeah, so it's available here depending on the type of Landsat you want. They are all available. Okay, so after deciding what type of data you want, then so that will be the data set. Okay, so let's say we want Landsat 8. Okay, so Landsat 8 we have Landsat Landsat 8 level switch. Okay, so yeah, so depending on the type you want, so we can go for Landsat collection 2 level 2 or Landsat collection 2 level 1. It depends on the type you want. Okay, now you select, so we want Landsat 8. Okay, so if that is selected, then the next thing is to go to, so you go to additional criteria if you want to do any changes, you want to the dates and other things. So here I don't need to do any changes, so we go straight to the results and it will automatically generate that for us. So between the years, so starting from so we have something from 2022 actually. Okay, so it goes down. So you have about 5 steps to follow, to go, 5 stages that the data is being made available. Okay, so if you want to actually check where the data is being what is provided, boy, stop this. Okay, so we want to see whether it covers the area we want or not. So what you do is, we have the show footprint. So if you click on that, it shows you the area it contains. So you see the footprint actually covered the entire area you want to study. Okay, so it covers the entire area, and our area is over here. So if that fits the year you want, then we go ahead to download that. Okay, so if that fits what we want, you go ahead to download that. So this is the download. Okay, but you can do other things. Okay, so you decide to look at we want to look at the details about when the data was collected, the cloud cover, everything. So you use this to find that. So you click on show metadata and browse. So you have that indicated here. So you will have that shown here, and you can scroll down and all the things are stated. Okay, so the land cloud cover is 0.02, very nice. The same thing for the same cloud cover. So all the things are made known here. Okay, so what you do is you go ahead to download this if you want. So you click download and you decide if you want to download everything in bulk, you do that. If you want to download all files now, you do that. You want to select individual files, you do the same thing. Okay, then from there you go ahead to download. So if you want individual files, then you select, maybe you need some bands, you don't need some, you need band 1. Maybe you are doing a you want to do a normalized difference index, the formula would require the type of index you want to do. The formula may just need 2 or 3 bands, and you don't need other bands, so you just download those ones. If that's the case, then you go ahead to download individual ones. But if you want to download everything, because you will do different set of analysis using the bands, then you go ahead to download everything, and that's how we easily download things on this. I hope this is helpful, and see you in another video. Bye bye.